Okay, mayong buntag. This is Dax of Pambansang Solar, and we have all our Makita tools. Muna mga tools na mo na among kipanggamit para mahuman among mga install nga sakto mga pamaagi. Now, one of the tools that I'm going to show you today that we use very much importantly sa among mga project sites is our bandsaw, which is this one. Now, the purpose of showing you this tool today is because one of our new installers broke the blades of our bandsaw. Now, this is not an old blade, this is a new blade. The thing is, improper use sa bandsaw, now dili sakto ang pagkabutang niya siyang stock metal, either nagamit siya EMT conduit pipe or he was cutting, I think, a ano sa ito, giputol niya ba yung rail? Okay, so if it was a rail, dapat yun dili magbawg ang pagka-implement sa bandsaw. Like you don't cut it sideways or that way. It has to be straight going down. Ang tendency na if imo nang i-angle o cut, mabali kay kanang na may pressure. Na may pressure ang imong blade. Now this blade is an 18 TPI, and 18 TPI means it has like 18 teeth per inch. Now this is good for cutting mga coarse metal, BI metal, and unistrut rails. Now, alright. Now, I'm gonna show you kung saan na mo pag-ilis ang kaniyang blade sa bandsaw. Alright. Now, here, this is a new, I don't know if makapalit ba taani nga rin sa kuan, no, sa Cebu. Normally, I buy this over sa kaniyang Home Depot dito sa US in California. And every time na mo biyahe ko, I bring a bunch of this stuff because I know pirmi may makutlan og bandsaw blade. Now, okay, I'm gonna show you kung saan na mo pag-install ani. Bukan ni kabuk ang nasod ani. But I'm just gonna use one here. Now, okay, this blade is about 44 by 7/8, no, 44/7/8 of an inch in length, and it has one half of an inch sa iyang gibag-on. Now, in order to replace that, kani siya nani siya i-lock, oh. Imo ning i-unlock para iyang disc would shrink. Look, if I unlock it, mo shrink iyang disc. I don't know kung klaro ba sa kaniyang video diya, no? Ang una nimong isod ani niya is sa iyahang mga roller. It's a bearing guide, which is here. I know hugaw kayo, but yeah, maybe ang gaan mo gud ni. I'll use this one na lang, okay, mas klaro. Mas clearer here kay mas limpyo. It has a roller in here, roller bearing. It guides your blade. Now, in order to put that in, you have to first open this lock. Okay, open that, and you can see the disc moves inside. So it's easier for you to fit your blade inside. Now, ang unang buhaton is you put this blade into that roller guide. Okay. And slowly fit it into your disc. This disc has a rubber conveyor. Now make sure they're well placed inside. Alright. Now it's inside na. Installed ng blade. That's how to install a blade for a bandsaw. This is a battery powered cordless tool. And now you lock it. Lock. Mahugot na siya. Okay, now it's really tight. Then you try to test it. So battery, check sa imong battery kung nabay kaning fully charged. Okay, you slide it inside here. Okay. Now this bandsaw, it has a trigger and it has a lock. A lockout. Now in order for you to use it, you have to unlock that lock. Now, pwede na siya magamit. You can engage now your trigger. I know. Now, ang iyahang cutting capacity here is about 4 inch and 3/4. Now, muning gadako na mapasud nimo nga any stock material na dapat mo pwede makat. Yung speed niya, it has a variable speed. You can go from 1 to 6. Variable speed meaning it has a speed of like 235 to 530 feet per minute. Now when you cut kaning mga metal, you should use low speed para mas maayo ang yang cutting capacity. You don't use kanang high speed, you go low. Alright, now I'll test this. I'd like to show you. So kalamihan ng mga bandsaw nami sa atop unya kaniyang di battery, we can easily cut our conduit pipes and our rails. Then you know, some of our wires like mga 30 80 mm squared na mga wires, it's easy for us to cut them instead of having a bolt cutter. Now I like to use this one better, this bandsaw. Now I'll show you how to cut this. Now this is straight, okay? I'm doing it on straight pattern. And before nimo dapat sa imong conduit pipe, before you put it on your stock metal, you have to run it already, your bandsaw. And use this guide on the bottom on the lower bottom, this guide. Okay. Alright, that's how to cut your conduit pipe using a bandsaw. I'm not using it, you have to lock it. And normally if you store this one, you always take off your battery. Okay, after you cut your conduit pipe, you have to ream them. Now I use my reamer. Okay, let me see. Let me check my tool bag for my reamer. Okay, now reamer. This is my reamer. Okay, let me put this down for a while. Now before we put our connectors in here, we always rim our conduit pipes. This is an EMT, electrical metallic tubing. This is where we run our wires. Amo ning i-rim para dili masamad among mga wires na among gipang bar pull. Okay, if masamad imong mga wires, you're prone to, if you don't rim this one, kuyaw kay masama din yung mga wires, and it's prone to creating some ground fault or a short circuit. Alright, now it's rimmed. And it's clean. Okay. Now, alright. Okay, another one that we could cut using a bandsaw is our rails. Very important. Now, you cut according to the pattern of your rail para di maguba po ang imong blade. Okay. Let's run first. Okay. Akong i-unengage. Indot ko sa dia or here. Let me do it this way. So paspas kayo. Mag-cut kasi mo mga rails. Okay, aside from aluminum rails, you can also easily cut your PVC conduit pipes. I don't have to show that one because this is just plastic. Okay, another one is our square tubes. Yep, this one. Okay, this square tube, this is what we use for our fabrication work. Now, well, if you don't have, actually, sometimes what we use for this is our angle grinders. But, you know, may uban na dili kay kampante mo gamit og mga grinding tools, angle grinder. Ako na lang i-pagamit og bandsaw, okay, it's safer. Eh kung di ka kibaw mo gamit og angle grinder, kuyaw pud kayo kay taas kayang paspas, kusog kayang RPM, and daghan kay mga accidents na ikabukod sa angle grinder. So it's safer to have a bandsaw. Let's try this one. This is a square tube. Okay. Let your blade run first before you hit the stock, your stock metal, and unengage the lock. All right. There you go. See? Namunay kalami sa bandsaw. Now, this bandsaw is powered by an 18-volt 5-amp battery, lithium ion, and the model is an XLT bandsaw. What else? What else can I tell you about this? Now, in case you don't use this, it has, you want to store it, it has a hook where you can just hang it somewhere, and of course tangtangon gud nimo ang battery. Then it has some rubber protection on this side, and it's a very great tool, very great tool. Now yeah, so this is what we use for, you know, a lot of our installs. 1.4 to 2.7 meters per second. Yeah, 275 to 530 feet per minute. So that 275 to 530 feet per minute is the variable speed of this bandsaw with no load. So when you're cutting, of course mo decrease yung speed. All right. Now I think that's about it. And yeah. So on our next video, I might cover some of the other tools that we use to be able to have a successful solar rooftop install. Now we are fully invested in this company, PAMBANSANG Solar, and this is what we do day in, day out. This is how I feed our kids. Now this is what we do for a living. Basically, solar installs is what we do for a living. And this is Dax of PAMBANSANG Solar. Thank you for watching. Have a great day to all of you. Take care.